Hello everyone and welcome to How to Channel. Today we'll be talking about how to create a YouTube channel from scratch to end in very simple ways. So first thing first, make sure you are connected to the internet, and this video will basically be using the computer to show how to do it, whether Mac or Windows. So you click your browser. You can use any browser, Edge browser, Mozilla Firefox, but I'm using Google Chrome right now. So you go to your search bar, type youtube.com. Now it's loading. It has loaded. So before you start to create a YouTube channel, you must have a Google account, that is a Gmail account. In this case, I already have a Gmail account. So if you already have a Gmail account, sign into your Google, your Gmail, it will now pop up to show. You will now see a sign. Look at the picture. You see that will be showing your Gmail account logged into your YouTube. If you don't know how to create a Gmail account, under the description of this video, there is a video showing you how to create a Gmail account from start to end. But if you already know how to create a Gmail account, you just click this icon, the place where the icon is showing, click it. So this Gmail account already has a channel. You can see view your channel here. So what I'll do is I'll click switch account to switch to the account. So currently the account I want to switch into is not logged into my Gmail already. So what I'll do is add account. So once I click add account, it loads. Now once it loads, I will now add my Gmail account. So let's go. Now I'll add my Gmail account and come back to it. Now I'm signed in into the account that I will use to create my channel. Now next thing is to click the header where the cursor is at. Next is to create a channel. Click create a channel. Once closed, click select photo. This photo is going to be your display picture in your YouTube channel. You either choose your photo from the illustration given to you by YouTube, or you select a photo from your device. Now I will choose a photo from my own device. The picture has been uploaded. Next thing, click done. My profile picture have been chosen. Now you choose your name and handle. Next is to click create channel. Your channel has been successfully created. Now we'll go to the customization of your channel. Next is to click customize channel. Once it loads, it gets you to the YouTube studio. This is your YouTube studio. Now we'll have to go through the components of our YouTube studio. Now let's go to the dashboard. The dashboard provides you an overview of your performance metrics of your channel. It includes the views, the watch time, and also your subscriber count. Next is the content. This shows you every content you've actually uploaded to your own channel. You will see when you upload your videos, your shorts, your live posts, or your podcast. This is where you can see each and every one of them, the content section. Now from the content section, we will go to the analytics. It shows the overview, the audience, the inspiration, how people find you, how many subscribers you get. It shows you how many watch time that your videos have actually accumulated over the period of time you've posted them. From the analytics section to the comment section. This comment section is just basically where you find comments that are being dropped on any of the video you've posted. Next is the subtitle. Now, this is where you can draft or modify or publish subtitles to your videos. Now, copyright. We move to the copyright section. The copyright section has to do with every related copyright issues on your channel. Next is the end section. Just like the name implies, it shows you different ways on how you can earn on YouTube. It also shows the eligibility of your monetization of your account, how much you've earned. Next is the customization channel, where you can customize your channel the way you want it, from the layout to the branding and all your basic information. We won't be doing the customization now, we will get back to it later. Next is the audio library. The audio library, it contains MP3 that you can use on your video. Notice, before you use any MP3 on the audio library, check the license type and use it accordingly. Next is to click the settings. Once you click the settings, in this section, you can now start the personalization of your YouTube channel, the editing and personalization of your YouTube channel. So you click channel, choose the country of residence, choose your country of residence, which I will do now. Next is to add your keywords. Now, the keyword is very important because it helps boost your YouTube channel search ranking and visibility. They also play a role in your YouTube SEO. The keywords ensure your channel performs better in YouTube organic searches and recommendation. So, input every keywords that are related to whatever you want to publish on your channel. For the advanced settings and feature eligibility, we won't be looking at that now. Next, we'll go to the upload defaults. Now, this upload defaults is all about having a default title and description for every video that you want to post. So basically, all of your videos will have the same title and the same description. And basically, I don't think this is what you need. Next is the permission. In this section, you can actually invite someone else to get permission on your channel. They can upload, comment, and take out public actions on your channel. Next is community. The community deals on the aspect of permission. So without having anyone to give permission, you don't need the community. Next is the agreement. Just like the name implies, it means you're subject to the YouTube terms of services. Once you are done, we'll save. Next, we'll go back to the customization to finish up the customization of our account. In your customization channel is where all the magic happens. Now, from the layout to the branding and to the basic info. Basic info is where all the changes are being made. Now you choose your username, choose your unique handle, and then you input the description of your channel. Once you are done with the description of the channel, scroll down. The channel URL, that is the URL to your channel. Now, this is the channel URL. With this URL, anyone can come to your channel directly. Now you go to the branding. Now in the branding section, you can change your display image, your display picture. Same thing here, you can also change your banner image. Now make sure that your banner image meets the requirements of YouTube. Your banner image should have an image size of 2048 pixels and 1152 pixels in height and width. I will upload my banner image. Note this, your banner image should be less than 6 MB when uploading. Once I'm done uploading my banner image, I will click done. My banner image has been saved. This banner image shows at the top of your channel. Now, below the banner image is the video watermark. That is if you're interested in giving your videos watermark. Now, the next is the layout section. In this layout section, you see the video spotlight. You can add a video that you want people to view first once they come into your channel in this layout section. This layout section, to enjoy the layout section and get its full benefits, you need to upload videos for you to get the full benefits of the layout section. Now, once you are done, you will click publish. As you can see now, my changes has been published. Your YouTube channel is now public. You have successfully created your YouTube channel. Now, I will click view channel to see how my channel looks like when somebody comes into my channel. And this, folks, is my YouTube channel. If you have followed this video step by step, you would have successfully created your YouTube channel. And folks, this is how you create your YouTube channel step by step. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification to get more of my videos. Thanks for watching.